Today, I will show you how to link Amazon Prime to Crunchyroll. First, after entering your email, click on the Amazon login. You'll be prompted to enter your Amazon login information. As you can see here, this is what it looks like if you search for Crunchyroll Prime Video. You can subscribe to Crunchyroll for a specific amount for a given number of months, and then for a different amount per month thereafter. If you agree, then all you have to do is click Watch Crunchyroll, and after that you can connect. For a 30-day free trial, you have to pay. Prime Video Channels is a Prime benefit that lets you choose your channels. Only Prime members can add Crunchyroll in over 100 more channels. No cable is required and you can cancel anytime. If you're okay with that, all you have to do is tap Continue. Make sure that you have your payment provider or payment method ready. In order to proceed, click Continue. If you haven't created an account on Amazon, you will need to create one first in order to proceed with this transaction. You can simply link your Crunchyroll through Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime members can now add Crunchyroll as an Amazon Prime video channel. You must be an Amazon Prime member in order to enjoy this benefit.